Youth. Youth is like a fire. It crept forward, a spark at first, growing into a flame, the brightening into a blaze.
Youth is happy because it has the capacity to see beauty. Anyone who keeps capacity to see beauty never grows old. Our most valued treasure is our people, especially the youth.
Good morning, everyone. I Aditi.
And I'm Muskan are here on behalf of Red House to enlighten you all to utilize your potential into creating something extraordinary. International Youth Day on August 12 is a moment to recognize and celebrate the promise and power of youth to create something extraordinary.
The United Nations Annual International Youth Day serves as a reminder that the young people around the world are often neglected and excluded from having a say in the decisions that will affect them.
To kickstart our day, let us call Naveen and Anshuman for the shlok.
सुप्रभात अभ्युत्थानाय देशस्य सर्वथानां प्रसूतये सौहार्दाय समत्वाय युव शक्ति प्रवर्तताम्।
अर्थात देश का उत्थान करने के लिए, सभी लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए, आपसी भाईचारे के लिए, समानता के लिए युवा शक्ति अनिवार्य है। धन्यवाद।
Today's young generation is more informative and connected and global. They are driven by curiosity and led by hope.
So here is Saket with today's news headlines.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are as follows. International news. Explosion at Chinese power station kills 21 people. Twitter said they are not responsible for rise of the IS. National news. Whatever I say on PM is problematic, says Raghu Ram. Pakistan is blaming India for Kyoto blast. Sports news. India lost in hockey in Rio Olympic 2016. There is going to be a match between Brock Lesnar and Randy Orton at SummerSlam 2016. KPS news. All tests for class 8, 9 and 10 are over in KPS. New workshop called iSmart is introduced in KPS Raipur. Weather forecast. Today's maximum temperature is 31 degree and minimum is 25 degree. Thank you.
So now I call Arna for amazing facts.
Good morning. I am Verma.
Youth Day was initially known as Soweto Day among the followers of the ANC, but was declared a public holiday after Nelson Mandela became president in 1994. The new government chose to call it Youth Day to commemorate the role of all youth in overcoming the previous regime.
International Youth Day was established by the UN in 1999 for creating awareness of importance of youth participation and investing in youth.
It is celebrated every 2 to 3 years with a large international gathering, and on off years there is a smaller celebration in Rome.
Pope John Paul II created World Youth Day, which soon became the world's largest gathering of people. The first celebration was held in Rome.
The theme for the day on 2009 was Youth, Our Challenge, Our Future. The one for 2014 was Youth and Mental Health. The one for 2015 was Youth and Civic Engagement. And the main inspiration for this year is The Road to 2030, Eradicating Poverty.
World Youth Day is a worldwide encounter with Pope to the world, which is typically held every 3 years in different countries. Thank you.
Youth is not entirely a time of life, but it is a state of mind. Nobody grows old merely by living a number of years. People grow old by deserting their ideals. You are as young as your faith and as old as your doubts and fears.
One way to support the juveniles is to give them a platform to voice their opinions. So here I invite Utkarsh and Subhashish for the speech.
Good morning.
International Youth Day is an awareness day designated by United Nations, which began in 1998 as an effort by the United Nations to promote positive changes in the communities.
It also aims to promote ways to engage them in becoming more actively involved in making positive contributions to their communities. During International Youth Day, concerts, cultural events and meetings involving national and local government officials and youth organizations take place.
The purpose of the day is to draw attention to a given set of cultural and legal issues. Do you know, Shubhasis, what will bring awareness to this issue?
We must be aware of the challenges that the youths face in the present scenario, such as alcohol, drug abuse, teenage pregnancy, the HIV pandemic, and the school dropout. As we work through these challenges, it's important to look back how far we have come. Today, we are free to go where we please, to attend schools and universities which we prefer. We have forums, parties, and programs which enable us to voice our opinions. We have the courage to stand and express our thoughts with others and make an impact.
We often talk about the children being the future, but for the teens, the future is now. Youths are at a stage in their life where they should make decisions that will dictate the future, but the things are not going on the way where they should go. The mental health of teenagers has sharply declined in the last 25 years, and the chances that a 15-year-old will have behavioral problems like stealing, lying, being disobedient has more than doubled.
The theme of the 2016 International Youth Day is the road to 2030, eradicating poverty and achieving sustainable consumption and production.
The best and the first and foremost way to strengthen our youth is to provide them better education. Not just any kind of education, but the right kind of education which will make them scientific, logical, open-minded, self-respecting, responsible, honest and patriotic. So, on 12th August, you should make time to celebrate youth. Look back at how far we have come and the potential we possess. Use this day for the youth development in your area. It is not a big matter. Even a small start makes a huge difference. Help someone with their homework. Ask someone about their future plans and offer some advice to them. Or donate some monies and book to them for the development of future. Youth is not a matter of rosy cheeks, red lips and supple knees.
It is a matter of will, a quality of imagination and a vigor of the emotion.
It is the freshness of deep springs of my life.
The youth is the hope of our future. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Youth is the joy, the little bird which has come out of the eggs and is eagerly waiting to spread out its wing in the free sky of freedom and hope.
So now I invite Astha for an enchanting poem.
गुड मॉर्निंग। कड़कती धूप हो या गिरती बिजलियाँ, सामना करें हम युवा या फिर चले गर्दिशों की हवा, झेले सीने पर हम युवा है हम युवा, हर तरंग हर उमंग है युवा, हम युवा है वो युवा, पूरी दुनिया का दर्द जिसमें सवा, आरज़ू लिए और जस्तजू किए, चल पड़े कठिन राह पर युवा, टूट कर गिरे चाहो लाखों मुश्किलें, अब नहीं रुकेंगे ये युवा, हम युवा है हम युवा, नई सुबह के हम नए युवा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Astha.
Aditi, do you why the young generation is unable to perform to its full potential?
Yes, Muskan, I know why. Instead of focusing on the good aspects of life, the youth is falling prey to dire habits like drugs and smoking. Another problem is in the indifferent attitude toward the things. The new cool formula of let the things be or go with the flow is proving fatal to the development. Lack of unity and spirit is a major setback. The youth have to realize their power, their potential, their responsibilities and stand up for their rights.
Youth have the power to transform the nation into a better place. They also have the ability to lead their fellow citizens into the right direction. They are the storehouse and powerhouse of infinite energy. It is the youth which brings the laurels to the country. Now, I invite the students of Red House for a skit on Yuva Shakti.
आप लोग किन जवानों की बात कर रहे हो? किन जवानों की जो आज पढ़ लिख के भी बेरोजगारी की थप्पड़े खा कर गलत काम करने के लिए मजबूर है?
या उन जवानों की जो दिन रात जागकर हमारी देश की सीमा में हमारी सुरक्षा करते हैं ताकि हम लोग चैन से सो सके? या उन जवानों की जो 26 जनवरी और 15 अगस्त जैसे दिनों में सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स में अपना एक फोटो पोस्ट कर अपने आप को देशभक्त कहते हैं?
या उन जवानों की जो देश में कुछ भी गलत होने पर एक कैंडल लेकर निकल जाते हैं और भारत बंद के नारे लगाते हैं?
क्या आपने कभी सोचा है हमारे वो कहाँ होंगे, कैसे होंगे, क्यों होंगे?
तो आइए देखते हैं नुक्कड़ नाटक।
अरे नेताजी मालूम है
कौन?
संतु तिवारी, उनके एजुकेशन के बारे में जानते हो? किचन पढ़े लिखे शिक्षित है,
3 बार मैट्रिक फेल है, 3 बार।
आप तो उनके चरित्र के बारे में जानते ही होंगे, बड़े ही चरित्रवान हैं।
चरित्र क्या होता है?
अरे चरित्र मतलब कैरेक्टर।
भ्रष्टाचारी तो मैं बताता हूँ। लूटपाट में अव्वल बाहुबली है, बाहुबली।
1 2
3 4 अरे 1 2 3 4 हमारा नेता कैसा हो, हमारा नेता कैसा हो।
देखो भैया, तारीफें तो बहुत हुई। अब आते हैं असली मुद्दे पे कि हमको वोट कौन कौन देगा। आप देंगे?
हाँ भाई देंगे,
आप?
हाँ भाई देंगे,
आप?
हाँ भाई देंगे।
मैं नहीं दूंगा आपको अपना वोट। क्यों? क्योंकि आप एक भ्रष्ट नेता है।
क्यों नहीं देगा। दम मारो दम, मिट जाए हम, गुरु शुभ शाम। हरे कृष्णा हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम।
तो देख रहे हो भाई और बहनों, ये है हमारे देश के युवा जिनकी रगों में खून नहीं नशा दौड़ता है, जिनका शरीर पूरा खोखला हो चुका है, दिखावे के लिए नई नई चीजें चरस गांजा का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। बंद करो ये नशाखोरी, बंद करो ये नशाखोरी, बंद करो ये नशाखोरी, बंद करो ये नशाखोरी। देख रहे हैं भाई और बहनों, ये है हमारे देश के विश्वविद्यालय से पढ़े लिखे युवा, लेकिन आज के जमाने में इनके खाने पीने के भी वांदे हो चुके हैं।
मैं IIT पास हूँ, मैं MTech पास हूँ
और मैं MBA कर चुका हूँ, परंतु आज के जमाने में मुझे एक छोटी सी नौकरी भी नसीब नहीं हो रही है।
अरे मेरे भाई, छोटी सी नौकरी क्या, मुझे तो खाने पीने के भी वांदे हैं। तो अब क्या करें? मेरे पास एक प्लान।
2 लाख रुपए भिजवाता हूँ। हाँ बस पहुँच रहा हूँ।
गाड़ी लेके आ।
बचाओ।
तो देख रहे हैं भाइयों, ये हमारे युवा जिनको रोजगार ना मिलने पर इनके ये संगीन अपराध कर रहे हैं। फिर
नहीं चलेगी, 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 नहीं चलेगी।
क्या चल रहा है? अभी हमने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन पूरी, जाएंगे USA, डॉलर में कमाएंगे, डॉलर में। मुझे तो पता है मेरे भाई, अभी धरती माँ की सेवा करूंगा। जब मैं USA से आऊंगा ना, तो मैं उसका गाड़ी, बंगला, बैंक बैलेंस तेरे पास से होगा। हाँ।
ये हमारे देश के युवा अपने देश को छोड़ के उनका विकास कर रहे हैं। बंद करो ये भागाभागी, 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 बंद करो ये भागाभागी।
ये हमारे देश के युवा हैं जो हमारे देश को खोखला कर रहे हैं।
कभी संगीन अपराध, तो कभी टशन में, तो कभी नशे में, तो कभी दूसरे देश जाके उनका विकास कर रहे हैं।
हमें इन्हें रोकना होगा, हमें युवा को आगे लाना होगा,
हमें आगे बढ़ना होगा,
हमें आगे आना होगा।
तो आज हम सब युवा प्रण लेते हैं
कि हम एक अच्छे नागरिक बनकर अपने देश की सेवा करेंगे,
अपने देश की सेवा करेंगे।
देश की शक्ति, युवा शक्ति, देश की शक्ति, युवा शक्ति, देश की शक्ति, युवा शक्ति। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू।
The youth hopes a world free from unemployment, poverty, inequality and exploitation of man by man. A world free from discrimination on basis of color, gender, language and race. A world full of opportunities and challenges to conquer them. But let us convert these hope into reality. On International
Youth Day, celebrate the power of youth.